So now that we have initiated the accessibility checker, I've gone ahead and added some distinguishing marks to my header, as well as headers level 2 for text, headings, images, background color, and so on. Oops, I actually missed this one. Let me go ahead and apply header level 2. Let's take a look at the next item, which is background color. We want to ensure that whenever we present text in a background environment, that we are meeting the 4.5:1 contrast ratio. A good way to tell whether or not that is achieved is by using the WerbAIM's tool for contrast checking. If you notice, it gives you the option to specify a foreground color as well as a background color. And if you're unsure of what the hexadecimal value is for that background or foreground color, just by clicking on the color picker and then selecting the droplet tool, you can then go ahead. Oops, let me resize this window. So once you're at the WerbAIM's contrast checker tool, you can then go ahead and click on the color picker dropdown, click on the droplet tool, and then if you notice, I have a table here and there's a faint gray background next to the black font. So I'm going to go ahead and select the darkest color on the font, which is something close to black. And by doing that, you're going to see that the value changes here on the RGB scale, as well as the hexadecimal value. And then if I go into the color picker for the background color, and then select the droplet tool, and then click on that faint gray background color for that header row on my table, it is letting me know that my contrast ratio is definitely above the 4.5:1 ratio that is expected. So this applies not just to text with background color, but also images that have text and background color as well. So you can use the tool for those publications as well. Right? Stay tuned for the next tip.